Question 4, another local question, which means a new sketch, incorporating the new local condition, which is that t is second. Now, in order to proceed, we need to think about that first space in front of the t. We know that you could never put a v there, because s has to be in front of v. We also know that you could never put an r or an s there, because if you did, that would violate Rule 2. T would be in between r and s. So there's only one thing that can be there, the w. And once we've put w there, we have three things left. We have s, which has to be in front of v, and r. And pretty much they can alternate in the pattern similar to how things went in question 3. We could put s and v in front of that r, we could put r in front of s and v, or we could put r in between the s and the v. And just like question 3, this is a could-be-true question. 4 answers will be things that are impossible. The one that can work, the one that could be true, is our answer. So let's look at answer choice A, which says that S is the first piece on the CD. As we just discussed, it can't be because it's going to be W. Answer choice B says that R is the first piece, which can't be true because it's going to be W. Answer choice C says that V is the third piece. Now, V being the third piece can't happen because S has to be in front of V, and we've taken up spots 1 and 2, so no V for third. Answer choice D says that W is fourth, which can't be true because W is first. The options for fourth are V, S, and R, which means that by default the answer must be answer choice E, but let's see why. E says that R is the last piece on the CD, and we'd say, yeah, sure. R could be the last piece after S and V. So E is our answer, and we go on to the next question.